Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, but what we'll be doing actually, we'll work on Lincoln MKX first generation as well guys. So it should cover years from year 2007 to year 2014, maybe even up guys. We'll show you how to remove and replace the rear window wiper. Stay with us and we'll cover the whole guide, everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge and Lincoln MKX, we will guys have more than 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys, you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy a new replacement wiper, okay, window wiper, if you need to buy any tools, parts, anything like that, check out the links in the description of the video below. What we guys have here, we have a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on, but as I said, it will work actually on Lincoln guys MKX as well. So this right here now, okay, this is guys the wiper. Now some people remove and replace the blade only. It is possible, but you still have to remove the whole the whole wiper. Now one thing about it, super inexpensive. We'll have the link for the whole assembly, so just go the long route guys. I think it's worth it. What you can do, okay, right here that cap, it has two clips right here, so you need to just squish a little, spread it out, okay, and pull it out. You guys have two teeth holding, one here, one is broken on this side, but ours still stays, and it attaches, okay, right here in this hole, and the one over there. What do we have here now? We guys have a 13mm socket, right? 13mm, and we're going to guys, okay, remove that wiper now. Okay, just go ahead and take the nut off. Once you guys remove the nut, okay, that wiper will be stuck guys. Now what do we need to do? Simply guys, grab it and jiggle it a little bit. Okay, go up and down a little bit, okay, like that, and eventually it will come loose guys. Now if it's stuck, get some penetrating spray guys. We will show you now. Penetrating spray, and spray it here and let it soak for a little bit. Why? Because that thing guys will corrode really bad. Interphone, it's a little bit expensive, but that thing is simply amazing guys. What do we usually do? Okay, we go ahead, spray it, let it soak. Okay, we move it a little bit. Okay, move it, and we just wait for it to break loose. It may take a little bit of time. What we usually do, we soak it and we let it stay for 10-15 minutes, and after that, okay, it comes off pretty easy guys. So that's what we'll be doing now. So right here now guys, okay, we're going to use a puller. Why? Because that thing is pretty much welded there guys, okay. It doesn't come out, so what we're going to do, we will use that puller. Okay, we'll have the link in the description of the video below guys, and we will attempt, okay, to pull it out with that thing, because otherwise it's practically impossible sometimes guys, because they will corrode really bad. So go ahead, just get it tight. Okay, it slipped out, so we need to hold it a little bit tighter. What we can do, we can install the nut. That way the puller will center itself there, and it's not going to, okay, it's not going to slip out. That thing is super tight guys. So we reposition it guys. Okay, we're going to hold it closed right here, and let's just get it tight now. Okay, it's still not coming out. This is unbelievable guys. Okay, it's about to come out, but not yet. So let's go ahead a little bit more. I'm just holding it. Okay, it slipped out. So we reposition guys. We actually even bent the things to face forward a little bit to the inside, because they were slipping out. And again, this is unbelievable corrosion that we have here. So we got a heavy duty guys, heavy duty puller. This thing is amazing. Okay, we never ever actually dealt with something like that before. So let's go ahead and see if it's going to come out now. Yep, it did. So all we needed was a heavy duty puller, obviously guys. So once we remove the nut now, did you hear that snap? Okay, that thing is unbelievable. This is guys, okay, the whole assembly right here. Now that's how I would recommend guys to get it, because right here ours is even a little bit cracked. Okay, I want to show you if I can get it. Okay, check it out here. So that's plastic guys, and that plastic does break, so you don't want that to happen. But you can see, guys, that's how you remove it. You get the new one, install it, get the nut tight, and all you have to do, guys, after that, just go ahead and install that little bitty cover. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.